Want to know more about pillows to help stop snoring? I thought so. That's why I just wrote a new post on the site about these awesome pillows that offer hope and relief to countless sleepless spouses everywhere. If you long for a good night's rest, in fact, several good nights worth of rest, you can find out about these cool pillows to help stop snoring by visiting my site and checking out the post. Simply click on the link below in the description and you will go straight to the post on pillows to help stop snoring. Be sure and leave any questions or comments here on the site. Talk to you soon. Also, for other health-related information, be sure and check out the rest of the site. I have all kinds of information about health news. There's health articles on everything from, how to take care of your hair and your skin, all the way down to all kinds of stuff that you may be interested in. Snoring in particular, getting rest, sleep apnea. There's all kinds of information that you can grab while you're there. Be sure and check it out. Also, visit us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, and obviously on YouTube. Since you saw this video, we're on YouTube. We've got a lot to offer and a lot of information. My name is Carrie Poole, and I really appreciate the opportunity to meet you if this is your first time meeting me. So you guys take care. Bye.